Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Monty Reed. Today, we're going to talk about screening and the new screening solutions offer from Sandvik. We have 4 experts representing Sandvik here.
My pleasure.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Thank you very much. A pleasure.
Nice to be here. Thank you for the opportunity.
I'd like to start off by asking Tomislav if you could tell us a bit more about this offer.
Yes, of course. Most screen operations out there seem to be doing fine, but we know that they can do better. And better in that case means more productive. And a higher productivity leads to a higher profitability of the customer's operation. And that's what it's all about these days. Sandvik screening media and services are designed to work optimally together to capture this full potential that is out there. That is why we have actually launched peak screening.
So Sandvik is really taking the screening business seriously. But Tomislav, when you say peak screening, what exactly do you mean by that?
It's all about that we know that most screens out there can do more than what they do today. So we try to look at the screening the way our customers do, as a holistic process, rather than just to look at the single components of the screen and the media and the services. So we brought together Sandvik's brand new screen range, our high-performance screening media, Sandvik's unique reliability and protection package, our expertise, and a performance guarantee. And all of that combined is giving a unique value to a customer, which actually is much higher than the sum of its single components.
Wow, that sounds really smart. But let's dive into the different areas of this package. Petri, you know everything there is to know about screens. Tell us a bit about the new screen ranges. What's new?
We have developed a series of screens where we are utilizing modularization in the whole offering. So we are using similar kind of design and components in mining and construction, from heavy primary screening to final screening of finished fractions, and both in inclined and horizontal screens. This modularity also means much shorter lead time, both for units and for parts. And the main driver in design has been safety, maintainability, maximized long-term capacity, and versatility.
Versatility? What exactly do you mean with that?
We have designed our screens to allow the maximized adjustability to get the best out of each screen in different applications. But the greatest advantage is our ability to combine the best knowledge of screens and screen media design. So in our SL and SJ range, we are using so-called multipurpose stringers. This allows changing between various screening media systems without any mechanical modification in the screen itself.
Sounds great. But what does this mean for the customer?
Well, as an example, the customer can have modular screening media at the feed end of the deck where we have the highest wear. And then on discharge end on the same deck, they can have synthetic tension media, which gives maximized throughput. So with this kind of combination, our customers are able to achieve maximized product lifetime and best performance simultaneously.
So you'll have 3 new screening ranges available. What are the main differences between these ranges?
The SL range are horizontal linear stroke screens, whereas SJ and SA are inclined circular stroke equipment. In SL and SJ ranges, we are using those multipurpose stringers, allowing maximized versatility on different screening media systems. And also screening media maintenance is easy in these models because the distance between the decks has been increased. SA screens are then for side tension screening media only and a bit smaller distance between the decks. But all the screens, they are available with our industry-leading reliability and protection package.
We've now heard about the 3 new screen ranges, but Johan, you're here to talk about the media for these screens. Tell us, why is the screening media so important?
That's a really good question. Choosing the right screening media is actually as important to any operation as choosing the right chamber for a crusher.
Mm-hmm.
And the screening media is key to reaching peak screening, since it actually determines our customer's end product. But it can be difficult to know which option is best for a certain application. And that is why we have tailored our screening media to seamlessly fit the new screen range, as well as different needs. So for the SJ and SL screens, We have modular media, we have tension media, and we also have self-supporting media. And for the SA range, we have various tension media options.
What's special with these models?
Well, if we start with the modular range, it offers our customers great flexibility. The modules are all interchangeable, they're lightweight, they're safe, and they're very easy to handle. And even though they're all the same size, they come in different materials for a variety of applications. So for example, we have soft, flexible, anti-blinding rubber modules that are ideal for fine screening in difficult conditions. We also have hard-wearing rubber modules that optimize fine to medium core screening in dry applications. And our mining modules come with a 1 million ton wear life warranty. And finally, we have polyurethane modules that we are mainly recommending for wet applications.
What about tension media then?
Well, tension media, that's a tailor-made high-performance product for a more cost-effective production. And Sandvik's unique long-lasting tension rubber and polyurethane products for cross and length tension screens are designed with precision punched or molded apertures. So they are particularly well suited for fine to medium core screening in dry or wet applications. And what they will give you is a significantly reduced risk of pegging and blinding, and up to 15 times longer wear life than woven wire mesh. They're also safe to handle and cuts noise by up to 50% compared to wire mesh.
Okay, and finally, the self-supporting media.
Yeah, those are our long-lasting panels for the toughest challenges with up to 5 times better shock absorption than perforated steel. Our WS series steel-reinforced self-supporting panels are built to take a heavy beating in primary scalping applications. And the premium wear-resistant rubber that we're using ensures optimal wear resistance, long servicing intervals, reduced need for maintenance, and much less unscheduled downtime. And it has a wear life of up to 2 million metric tons of feed and can reduce the noise with as much as 50% compared to punch plate. So I would say that whatever screening challenges our customers face, we have the solution.
Thanks for that, Johan. Earlier, Tomislav mentioned a reliability and protection package. Mikael, welcome to our show. Can you explain the reliability and protection package? What is that?
Oh, well, it's not complicated at all. It's a bundle of equipment, parts, and service over a period of 3 years. It's designed to unleash the full potential of the equipment, protect the investment, and to provide a trouble-free ownership experience. So apart from the included extended warranty coverage, we make a solid commitment in providing really premium end-user support. That's really what it is.
So what parts are included in this package?
We get the periodic inspections, on-site troubleshooting, and trend analysis.
Can you tell us more about the periodic inspections?
So the periodic inspections is where our certified inspectors go out to site, make inspections together with the plant personnel. We put all the recommendations together in a digital report to display operational and maintenance trends, highlighting different challenges and improvement opportunities in a transparent way for everybody to know where to focus and what to do.
What about the on-site troubleshooting?
That is when the inspector regularly visits site to answer to any questions or support with troubleshooting during these inspections, to boost the equipment and application knowledge through the customer teams, and show how to quickly solve issues based on this vast experience that the service technicians has with the OEM equipment. Usually it's very helpful and appreciated from the maintenance and operational crews.
Then you mentioned trend analysis.
So we collect and analyze the operational and maintenance trends during these inspections in order to be able to provide fact-based recommendations on what proactive measures to take and why. So, I mean, in short, customers can enjoy the increased reliability, peace of mind with extended warranty, and really knowing where and how to act in order to make these constant improvements that we're looking for in a crushing and screening plant.
Wow, amazing. And on top of this, you're offering a performance guarantee. Tomislav, are you really sure about this?
Yes, of course we are. We sit down together with our customers and agree on configuration and settings around the screen and the screening media. And if it doesn't work, although the customer has done his part that we both agree to, we will come back and make sure it works until we reach the KPIs and the customer gets what we have committed to.
Okay, I'm impressed. But how can this be possible?
Well, one of the major reasons why we can launch this are actually our people. Sandvik has now been for decades a global leader in the mining and construction industry. Our sales and service representatives have gained an incredible knowledge about crushing and screening processes, applications, and troubleshootings. So our customers get access to all of this expertise and that know-how. And we document it in our performance guarantee. All in all, we brought 5 key elements in our peak screening concept together to create a much higher value to the customer, to bring an average performing screen operation to a peak performing screen operation. That's what it all is about.
We've been listening to our experts talk about Sandvik's new screening offer and would like to thank them for their answers.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for asking all these interesting questions.
See you around.
Bye-bye.
Now, it's up to you to make the move to peak screening.